All right, fun exercise here. We're gonna think in 6. This is my middle C. Left hand here on C, E, G, right hand here. Slowly, we're gonna practice a crossover with the correct fingering. Two finger go into the keyboard. What's going on? Jim from Grassroots Piano. I specialize in working with adults, learning piano, learning about music, and having the enjoyment that you can have for a lifetime. So if that's interest of you, and this is the first time checking out my channel and video, consider subscribing if we're a good fit. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this in a slow way, but then I'm going to increase the tempo. So maybe you're more of a middle beginner or a later beginner. I'm going to give some other challenges. And let me know what you think of this exercise. It's fun, it's easy, but it's really important to get out of the realm of just staying in that pentatonic C, pentascale, excuse me, or the 5-finger C position, as many of us know. So I'm going to demonstrate again, and we're going to go up from C, D, E, F, G, and back down, and I'm going to give some advanced steps. Always practice slowly and know where you're going, and know your goals and your outcome. So our goal right now is to just be able to play. Like I said in the demonstration, the 2-finger on C, back down. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. And to G. And you go back down. That's the first option, and go nice and slow, and then slowly build up the speed. You can also get to the next part, and you can experiment with different ideas. One of the things that I would encourage you to do is try to play it as you get faster. You can go ahead and add the pedal, and then also go ahead and take out the 3 beats between going up. And what we're doing is we're just playing the C and E, G, and then the D, F, and A, E, G, you can see the and B, F, A, C, G, B, and D, and we're just going up to the top. A few other ways you could do this. This is going more into late beginner mode. We're gonna go, I'll go a little faster. 1. See what I did there? That takes some discipline, because you're going to need to make sure you place your finger at the right time. Another one that I actually learned from a student, this is kind of a fun thing, and these things you can jam with, try different ideas, where it's all about getting to know the keyboard, the layout, and the most important thing, one of the most important things in this lesson is getting comfortable in playing into the key bed, not always here. And remember, if you do this and play the 1, it's okay, but chances are you're going to collide and it could be sloppy. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play 1, 4, C. Next time I'm going up the 3rd. And now the 5th. And octave, way up there. And go back down. That will take some work, because you're really overstretching and you want to be using the bench. You want to lean a little bit, whatever you want to do. Feel the instrument and make sure that you're getting the skills that you need. If it's too tricky, you can always come back to it. All right, I'm going to now demonstrate it a little quicker with some pedaling. And if you're new to the pedal yet, don't worry about it. You can make it beautiful by just pedal down. New chord. Keep playing, save time. If you like my lessons and videos, please hit that like button. It reaches other awesome learners like you. Until next time, you might want to check out this fingering exercise. Gets you disciplined, and I'm going to be doing some A minor stuff very soon. So please take care. I wish everyone well. Bye-bye.